The nominees are...
Wait lang. Hihintayin ko. Wait dito mo.
Ang
laki mo ano.
Kamusta ka na? Hindi ka nalilimutan.
Ano pa rin pagkait sa amin pag Sorry ako. Kasi nahihirap ka rin. Nahihirap. Nahihirap. Ano nahihirap? Tumingin sa ko.
Bisa na ba yung buhay ko? Nakulit at sinundan ko ng mga ano nung kilala ko sa Ella? Nagsimula ako makaramdam ulit.
Gusto ko magalit kay Lula. Gusto ko magalit kay Lula.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our nominees for Best Actress. Mr. Sid Lucero, do us the honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sina Silip's very first Best Actress is... none other than Angela Morena!
Congratulations, Angela from Pagkaon. Truly deserving our first Best Actress.
That's right, our first ever Best Actress here is the CCD Film Festival. None other than Angela Morena. Let's give her a big round of applause. Kakaiba talaga. All right, Sid, if you can join Angela in the center for a photo opportunity. Let us capture this amazing moment. Woo!
Fantastic.
Maraming salamat po. First of all, Direk Carlo Obispo for writing this film, A Midnight Kiss Now, Pagdaong. Pangalawa, maraming salamat, Direk Pongs. It's really a teamwork. Thank you for collaborating with me. Yung pag-aaral ko ng character. Maraming salamat. Tinutukan mo talaga. Direk Dali Dulu for guiding us. We did a Meisner workshop na sobrang nakatulong po sa amin. To my co-actors, maraming salamat sa suporta since day one, since workshop, since nag-zoom tayo. Maraming salamat sa LGU ng Alan Summer. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda po ng Summer and I hope everyone will see our film kasi you will surely visit Alan Summer. Maraming salamat din kay Direk Marvin Reyes na pinakita po niya yung gaano kaganda yung Alan Summer. And of course, yung mga tao doon, napakabait, welcome kami dun sa Alan Summer. Well, my Viva family, my Viva Max family, to my Viva Max actors, to my Viva Artist actors, maraming salamat. You are my family. Sa lahat ng bumuo po ng Sine-Silip Festival, maraming salamat. Isa kayo ang nagbukas ng mga opportunities sa mga ganitong klaseng kwento na hindi basta-basta pinapalabas, lalo-lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya, maraming salamat sa Sine-Silip Festival and tulad ng Pagdaong, may mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, may mga tao na dumadating sa buhay natin that are not meant to stay, but meant to change us. Kaya I really hope and pray that this Sine-Silip Festival will be an instrument for a change, lalo na sa film industry. Maraming salamat po. I'm so humbled.
Congratulations, Angela Morena.
What a heartfelt speech. I felt that. Grabe.
Thank you, and thank you, Sid.
Congratulations to our best supporting actress. Grabe, naramdaman ko yung emotion at yung hard work that goes in to creating these characters on screen and winning the Best Actress Award.
Now we give recognition to the actor whose outstanding performance gave depth to a role.
To present the award, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for this individual. He's one of my idols. He is a true icon of creativity with hundreds of films to his name. His body of work stands as proof of fearless storytelling. Let's put our hands together for none other than Mr. Mon Confiado. Good evening, Mon.
Sa pagganap ng isang aktor, ang pelikula ay di lamang naging kwento. Our winner's portrayal powerfully dared to challenge and transform. The nominees for Cinesilip's 2025's Best Actor are
Tita, dito po ba kayo, Tita?
Hindi ko nanawari kung hindi lamang ako. Tumpa ka
Tita mo siya, diba?
Kung magic ba siya, or superpower, or
Ako na gumawa sa'yo. Pero buhay mo yan.
And those are the nominees for Best Actor. Sir Mon, please do us the honors.
The award for Best Actor goes to Martin Del Rosario. Applause sa hangin.
Congratulations, Martin Del Rosario, our Best Actor. For Cinesilip.
Let's grab a photo in the middle of Mon and even Martin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our Best Actor for Cinesilip Film Festival, none other than Martin Del Rosario.
Ay po, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sinisilip, maraming salamat sa award na to. And malaking bagay ito dahil first ever Best Actor ng Sinisilip. So malaking bagay ito para sa akin. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa Sinisilip dahil binigyan niyo akong opportunity yung mga filmmakers, kami mga actors, na maging parte ng mga mas daring, tsaka mas matapang ng mga pelikula. Of course, gusto ko rin pasalamatan Southern Lanterns, Direk Sunny, Direk Arden, Direk Sharon, and most especially kay Direk Miko. Direk, alam mo, first film natin to. First film mo to, congratulations. Salamat sa guidance at sa tiwala. And I want to share this award sa mga artista kasama ko. Yung mga mahuhusay na artista, Denise Esteban, Angelica Cervantes, Vincent Pahara, and Joribel Agoto. Ayun po, sana after this festival, mawala na yung stigma sa mga erotic movies na forward mo lang sa sex scenes dahil walang kwento. Dahil hindi naman talaga ganun. Kaya naman natin gumawa ng sex scene na may kwento din. And syempre sana maging bukas pa yung isip ng mga nating lahat or ng mga institusyon sa usaping sex. Kasi parte naman yan ng katotohanan sa buhay. Sana mas maging progresibo na pag-isip natin sex, sexualidad, even gender identity. Ayun na po, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Para sa atin ito, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Thank you. Congratulations again, Martin Del Rosario. This time, we call back in Mr. Sid Lucero to join Mr. Mon Confiado as they present our next awards.
Congratulations to our Best Actor, Martin. What an amazing moment as our first Best Actor for Cinesilip Film Festival. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, para sa akin, this is like the engine of a car. Pag wala to, wala yung car.
It's the chassis.
The chassis. Yeah, the
Diba?
chassis. Parang ganon. Our next award is in recognition of the kind of storytelling that moved us and surprised us. Ito ang Best Screenplay.
Sa paraan ng pagkukwento at pagtahi ng mga salita at eksena, nagkaroon ng puso at tapang ang pelikula. And the nominees for Best Screenplay are...
Sana next time.
Sinlegal ka ba?
Award.
Sheila, pagkatapos
There are
nito,
award.
pwede ba? Tama na. Tigilan mo na ako. Trabaho ko po, sir. Magtanong, sir.
Ang Pilipinas daw ang may pinakamaraming transgender sa Asia.
Siyang durugin. Ano plano? Kung papagod ka sa babae. Puso'y dating tahimik. Ngayon natutong umawit. Nasaan siya?
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our nominees for Best Screenplay. Sid, please reveal this year's Best Screenplay.
Cinesilip's best screenplay goes to Sonny Calvento and Nico Mendoza. Haplos sa hangin.
Congratulations to our Best Screenplay. That goes to Sonny Calvento and Kiko Baldoza for Haplos sa Hangin. Let's give a big round of applause to be accepted by Direk Nico. Let's grab a photo opportunity sa gitna. Sir Mon and Sir Sid, please join him. Direk Nico, a few words.
Maraming salamat, Sinisilip. Ito pong award na ito ay sinishare ko sa co-writer ko na si Direk Sonny Calvento. Naisulat po namin itong marami pong pinagdaanan yung draft ng Haplos sa Hangin. At naisulat namin siya na minake sure namin na magkakaroon siya ng boses. Minake sure namin na magtatakal siya ng issue. And minake sure namin na hindi lang siya basta erotic film. Hindi namin ginawang, ang erotika po dito sa pelikulang to, hindi namin trinato bilang spectacle. Kundi ito ay isang protesta para bigyan ng focus ang issue ng toxic na relasyon na ito po ay cautionary tale para sa mga magbabalak magpakasal na alamin muna kung sino yung mapapangasawa nyo at dahil walang divorce dito sa Pilipinas. So yun po, Direk Sonny Calvento, congrats sa ating dalawa.
Congratulations, Haplos sa Hangin!
That's right, congratulations to Nico and Sonny on winning Best Screenplay. Alright, Phoebes, our next award, I love analogies. I live life with analogies. So yung next award natin, parang captain of the ship. That's how I put it. Here at the first ever Sinisilip Film Festival, we celebrate the filmmakers who dare to see differently and lead fearlessly.
Our next award is for the Best Director. Ang puso at isip na gumabay sa pagbuo ng pelikula, shaping every frame, every emotion, and the soul of the story.
And for Sinisilip's 2025 Best Director nominees are...
Mamaya.
Lalagyan natin. Mamang sa akin.
Agad ko nila, hindi ko nalaman ito.
Parang isang larawan. Walang nagbago.
Danilo, ba't ka nga pala nandito?
Baka kasi ito yung huling beses na makapunta ako dito.
Your life,
Nawala nga daw yung mga tao sa cinema. Nasa cinema.
yung tama.
Tama daw.
Wala kang alam, Jade.
Alam ko. Alam ko, nakakulong ka pa rin sa mga alaala mo kay Ella.
I didn't move out. I came home.
And those are the nominees for Best Director, Sir Mon. Please do us the honors.
Yan na guys. Best director.
Manood pa rin po kayo ng Quezon, ha?
Exactly.
Palabas pa rin sa 200 cinemas, over 200 cinemas. And Cinesilip's 2025's Best Director is... Rodina Singh Dreamboy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our best director for the first ever Sinisilip Film Festival, none other than his direct Rodina Singh for Team Dream Boy.
Yes, so we have a group photo with all our presenters and Direct Rodina. Please join Direct Rodina. Congratulations again to Dream Boy.
Miss na ako.
Sorry, hindi po talaga kami expecting. I'll be very, very honest. Coming into this festival, I have lost my faith to actually be given a chance to do a film again. I thought this industry wasn't meant for girls like me. And then I'm really, really grateful for a Cinesilip for actually giving us the opportunity to bring this story to life. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what we have, what we can bring to the table, regardless of so many difficulties. My God, magkukwento lang po kami, 4 na sinihan, 1 linggo, 2 milyong piso. Pero bawal daw kaming ipalabas. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what Dream Boy can bring to life. To Tony Labrusca for believing in what we can do. Tony halos libre na, as in siya na gumastos ng transformation niya, ganyan. And thank you for saying yes. Kahit na hindi ka pa nakakabasa ng script. To EJ, I share this award with you kasi since the first draft, alam mo na yung script kung saan siya pupunta. To Mix, may award ka na. To Arnex, our editor, to Malay, to Chippy, to Silas, to Iman, to Tonetta Daone for actually being one of my, hindi niya kino-consider na mentor ko siya, but I learned so much from you. I share this award to Moira Lang as well. Thank you for inspiring that trans people like us can actually take the screen and write our own story. Siguro, sorry, ang haba talaga, pero hindi kami token. Hindi po kami token. At may this award remind everybody that sa isang sining malaya, ang mga kwento tulad ni Dream Boy at na lahat ng ginawa ng mga direktor sa kauna-unahang Sinisilip, hindi lang dapat ito sinisilip, dapat pinapanalo natin. Thank you po.
Once again, let's give a big round of applause for direct Rod Singh, our winning Best Director for Team Dream Boy. Grabe, I really felt the emotion.
Yes, and thank you also to our presenters, Sir Han and Sid.
Direct Rod, you are an inspiration, and all I have to say is I truly appreciate the passion. That's really what we want in making films, is the passion of filmmaking. Naramdaman ko lahat right there. Actually, gusto ko umiyak right now. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, kasi car guy ako eh, car guy. So, in-address natin lahat ng parts ng car, no? So now it's time to look at the overall performance sa isang car, no? You get the analogy? You get where I'm going? And now, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinaka-abangan ng lahat, ang major awards, the top 3 best films of Sinisilip Film Festival 2025.
Mula sa ating entries this year, ang mga pelikulang ito ang umangat sa pagkamalikhain, tapang at passion bilang mga bagong boses ng pelikulang Pilipino. And the nominees are...
Hindi na ako. Mag-interview pa kayo. Okay na ako sa ako.
Dito na ako. Sino po ba na yung Maria?
Actually, pangako mo sa akin na hindi pa nalilin. Hanggang kiss na lang muna tayo.
Kailan mo ba ako titigilan? Malamang sinihigan to. Nangyari lang to. Tumating siya.
Si Trimboy na lang talaga yung nakakahuli ng politiko eh. Pag pinipigil kayo ng mga lalaki na, sarap lang.
Nakaipon ko. Lilipat tayo ng kotpa.
Kahit sa bahay ko magkakaiba sa kasama kita.
Ako sa'yo.
Awang-awa ka habang tinitigasan ka sa akin.
May nabasa ka na bang tungkol sa tao na hindi naman totoo, pero nabuhay siya sa totoong buhay?
Konnichiwa, Jominku. Isa siyang bituin. Hindi kayang abutin. Tanawang kinang. Nagniningning sa dilim. Di ba sabi mo dati may kasama ka ditong
Kasama
kaluluwa?
dyan pag-
Hindi kasi ako naniniwala sa ganyan.
Victim siya, di ba?
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our nominees for our third best film. To announce the third best film is Sinisilip's 2025's Festival Director, none other than Mr. Ronald Arguelles. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The third best film of CDC 2025 is... Third best film, Haplos sa Amin. I'll read the jury statement for Haplos sa Amin. It is facilitated by Tito Valiente, Pantaluri Tito Valiente. Despite its tentative tone, Haplos sa Amin weaves a charm that is dark and invigorating. The narrative pulses and the three characters are real presences, with Martin Del Rosario at the core of this cautionary, dangerous romance. The third best film, Haplos sa Amin. Congratulations.
Congratulations! May we have everybody from Haplos sa Hangin here to accept the award for third best film. Congratulations, everybody.
Now a photo opportunity. Sir Ronald,
Sir Ronald,
join the photo. Sama ka na. Sige na. Kami naman. Let's have a photo opportunity again. Our actors, director for Haplos sa Hangin, our third best film dito sa Sinisilip Film Festival 2025.
Thank you so much po, Sinisilip, sa recognition na to at sa award na to. Malaking bagay po to. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Haplos sa Hangin, sana po nandito kayo. Lahat ng staff and crew ko, sana hindi nyo na-miss tong moment na to. Itong award na to ay para sa inyo. Share ko tong award na to sa inyo, guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumulong, sa lahat ng naniwala. And of course, Sinisilip na nagbukas ng pinto para sa akin. Unang film ko po ito at malaking bagay ito para sa akin. Ilang years kong inasam na magkaroon ng sariling pelikula and ngayon Sinisilip yung unang nagbukas. Maraming salamat of course sa Southern Latin Studios na nagtiwala sa akin. Mabuhay kayong lahat and
Sana magdilang ang
yung mga co-directors ko din at iba pang film, congrats sa ating lahat na nandito tayo ngayon. And sana more projects sa mga directors kong kasama kasi lahat sila magagaling. Ayun. And may prize ko ba ito?
Mega.
Yes! There's a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
congratulations, Haplos sa Hangin. Thank you, Sir Ronald. And to announce the second best film is one of our esteemed jurors, Direk Joy Aquino. Direk Joy, who is our second best film?
Alright, good evening everyone. And the second best film of Cinesilip 2025 is Pagdao.
May we ask everybody from Pagdao to please join us here on stage.
One of our jury, Direk Eric Mati wrote something for Pagdaong. Pagdaong is a story about gender, abuse, and toxic mentorship, but at its core, it's about self-love. Follows a poet who realizes she deserves a better life while questioning whether art should express the artist's truth or please its audience. The film delivers strong performances and emotionally grounded storytelling with polished, authentic scenes that make its message resonate despite its heavy themes. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Direk Joy. Grabe, what a great
Direk
critique.
Joy, please join them in a group photo. Our second best film, Pagdao. Congratulations, everybody.
Let's grab a photo opportunity. What a great critique by Direk Eric Mati, one of the best in the biz.
And now let's hear from Direk Pong.
Hello po, kagaya ni Direk Pico Baltosa. First film ko rin po ito. So, maraming salamat po sa Cinesilip, kay Sir Ron. Thank you, sir. Thank you sa Viva. Salamat po sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa amin. Sa aming mga first-time filmmakers, maraming salamat po. God, thank you, God. Oh my God. Ano ba ba? Maraming salamat po sa mga mentors ko na nagturo sa akin kung paano magkwento. At maraming salamat po sa Allen, Marlon Samar sa pagpupukok sa amin ng
Sa ano?
6 days.
Sa San Beda University.
Hindi po ito mangyayari, hindi po namin nabubuo itong pelikulang ito
Last
dahil sa kanila.
cinematography 2020.
At maraming salamat po sa team ko na
Carlos Araya.
hindi ako iniwan kasi medyo mahirap po yung pinagdaanan ko.
Makeup din.
Pelikula ko.
First time.
Pero kami po, na ang hirap, hindi ko alam kung paano pagkakasyalit, pero I have friends, marami akong kaibigan na tumulong sa akin.
Kasi I'm new.
At sino ba ba? Kaya ayoko pong may makalimutan. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan. Gusto ko rin congratulate lahat ng co-finalists ko. Congrats guys, you made it. Hindi mo naging madali, pero dito tayo ngayon. Naipalabas lahat ng pelikula natin. Nakakalungkot lang yung mga nababasa natin sa internet, no? Na hindi pa man tayo napapanood, ang dami nilang sinasabi. Kino-question nila kung bakit mas pinapanood ng Cinesilip kaysa sa isang historical film. It's sad, especially if it comes from our fellow filmmakers that we look up to and we respect. I really hope that the day comes when we can see films without prejudice, without preconceived notions. When a biased, outdated organization no longer dictate us filmmakers what stories we are allowed to tell. And cinema shouldn't be judged by its comfort level, by its maturity. Kasi kung ganun lang po, manood na tayo lang ng Coco Melon, no? It should be judged by its truth, by its honesty, by the truth it dares to reveal. And yun lang po, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang erotikang mabuhay ang pelikula ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Direk. Congratulations once again, Pagdaong, our second best film ever dito sa Cinesilip Film Festival 2025.
Yes, now Direk Joy will be joined by Mr. Ronald Arguelles.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we are about to announce our first placer amongst our 7 film entries dito sa Sinisilip Film Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys excited to find out our best film? I can't hear you one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, are you excited to find out our best film here at Sinisilip Film Festival 2025?
They can't wait.
I think so. I think they're on the edge of their seats. Sir Ronald and Direk Joy, take it away.
The second best film will receive also 200,000.
200,000?
And the best film will receive 300,000.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Alright, the best film of the first ever Sinisilip Film Festival is... Best Film, Dream Boy.
Congratulations, Dream Boy, on winning Best Film. Direk Joy.
We chose Dream Boy for its precision, clear and confident without ever feeling restricted. It's direct in its message, yet elevated by the playfulness of its directorial voice, which adds vibrancy and rhythm to the story. Dream Boy stands out not just for what it represents, but for how it creates a rare and necessary space. A space where creativity continues to thrive and where voices can still find their way to be heard and celebrated. Cinema cannot just be fearless, it needs to be intimate, and that is the strength of Dream Boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our best film ever for Sinisilip Film Festival 2025, Dream Boy!
Unang-una, maraming salamat kasi may cash prize. 300,000 pa yung utang ko, may pambayad na kami. But thank you po, Sinisilip. Siguro, I'll share this award with the other entries, yung 6 entries po natin. Miko, Pogs, BC, Rans, Gian, sino ba? Si Alpha. Thank you kasi lagi kong sinabi ko na ata doon kay Pogs, pero sinasabi ko na historical ang first Sinisilip kasi kung saan man ito mapunta one day, di ba? Tayo yung mga unang nagtapang, di ba? At nagpasarap. Sorry. At nagpasarap ng film festival na to. I share this award to Dream Boy. Yes, di ba? Dream Boy siya talaga. Sorry. To everybody who have supported our film, to those who are still looking for tickets to cinemas, I don't know what happens next after this, but sa mga non-believers na mga pelikula ng entries ng Sinisilip, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo ay some stories really do refuse to die. Kasi ang sarap lang. Thank you po! Salamat!
Alright, congratulations. May we also ask second best film and third best film to please join Dream Boy.